Hello, and welcome to lesson number 9. And congratulations with this lesson, you've reached the end of this course, and this kind of a bonus lesson for you because we talked about how to manually optimize your WordPress site. Now, we're going to talk about how to automate the process. Now, the reason why we didn't jump straight into this video was simply because you needed to understand why SEO elements are important on their own. Then, use this system to automate everything. The two plugins that I'm going to talk about today will be great help for you to automate certain processes, like the URL structure, but at the same time, knowing how things work and why certain things are important is more crucial at the end of the day. So, now let's talk about the two SEO plugins. With these two WordPress plugins, you can literally boost your on-page optimization. You can get both of them on a free version, and they both have a paid version too. Now, two of these plugins are very common. The first one you'll most likely maybe already using. The second one is not so popular, but they actually work hand in hand. So let me go ahead and show you these plugins and mention why they are both important. So, the two plugins are number one is Yoast SEO. And if you go in here, you can get a better idea of what it's all about. But this is one of the most popular SEO plugins, and this plugin will actually help you optimize your site automatically. So now you understand the basics of the title, the description, and all that. You are ready to use Yoast. A lot of times, what Yoast SEO will do is if you just create a title and you put that in the title of the WordPress post or page, you click update and it'll automatically fill in the permalink or the URL structure. And it will fill out other data as well as you begin to create your posts and your page. Now that's the free version. The paid version actually takes it one step further and does a lot more. Now, I'm not going to cover all details of Yoast in this particular video because you can go here and check it out for yourself. But if you want to figure out how to install it, it's very easy. All you have to do is go to your WordPress site here and go to Add Plugins under Plugins menu. Type in the word Yoast and you'll see it right here. The second plugin is called SEO Squirrely. So if you type in SEO SQUIRRLY, then you can actually download the plugin. And they also have a free version, which is, in my opinion, is really good. What SEO Squirrely focuses on is schema or snippets. And schema is necessary because that's the way of the future, and it tells search engines what your site is all about and provide even more information than that. But the short answer is it just helps optimize your site in a much better way. When you go to SEO Squirrely's site, it'll say that their plugin is better than Yoast. And then of course, sometimes you might see an article out there that compares these two plugins. You'll see that they're going against each other as competitors, but at the same time, you can either use Yoast or you can use SEO Squirrely, but you can also use them both. What we found over the years that SEO Squirrely focuses on schema, and schema is just a way to make your site appear in the search engines where people will click on your link. Schema is a code, semantic vocabulary, that you put on your website to help the search engines return more informative results for users. So, if you've seen, for example, the 5-star ratings that appear in the search engine that is based on schema, and there's a lot of other different little elements where if you've got on your page, like images and videos and all that, SEO Squirrely will automatically optimize those media types on your page. And we found that you can actually download these two plugins together, and they work hand in hand. They can run each other based on the title and the meta description, and they can conflicts in that realm, but at the end of the day, each will perform its job. But if you feel you kind of need to pick and choose which one you want to go with, you can research better and read articles and recommendations. However, from our experience, Yoast, I can tell you, will pretty much do everything that we talked about, and of course, SEO Squirrely as well. It's just they typically are focused on different areas, so my take on that is just install them both and just see what happens and use them both and go from there.